Welcome everybody. So we are looking out 2 BHK Jodi Apartment, Godrej Ananda Phase 3. This is the sample apartment which we are looking out. So we have an entrance with foyer. The moment we enter, we have the bedroom. Towards left, this is one bedroom. So this unit we are calling it as 1+1. So since it's a Jodi unit. So let's say if we are considering this as a 2 BHK unit, this becomes a master bedroom. You will have a separate wardrobe space. There will be another entry and exit. It is up to you want to close this or to use as a door. So here we have the washroom attached to the bedroom. To investors, the advantage is you can rent out 2 different units for tenants. You will get double rent, 1 BHK separate rent, and then the master bedroom or a studio. You can make this as a studio apartment, and you will get even this house as a rent, right? So then we have the living. So this is the living area, dining, and here we have the open kitchen. The interiors are well designed. And here we have the utility space right exactly in front of the kitchen, the dining. They have kept that side. It is up to you. You can keep this side. Quite decent space. Then we have children's bedroom. This is children's bedroom. So starts from 74.99 lakhs everybody. Don't forget to reach us if you are interested for not 74.99 lakhs. That's the starting price, everyone. Call us for details. We'll share our number in description. Thank you so much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe.